which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see address details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 4. Category 5. Category 7. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10. Friends, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. All guests will be required to visit photo ID at check-in. Location of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 10 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Better deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Or more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem with this hotel, then you can help us by commenting freely. If you have already traveled from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on the channel, you have not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.